Alright guys, do you have a toddler? Do you want a tricycle or bicycle for them? Look no further guys, we have it right here. Look it out. Check it out. This is everything that comes in guys. You have the instruction menu. Very cool items. Look at this. You guys ready? Look at that. Look at that. That's very nice guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and assemble this and we'll show you guys how it writes. Guys, so as you can see, we have installed it. Now I didn't do a step-by-step on installation because the installation is so easy and simple guys. You just click everything on, super easy. So I'm not gonna waste your time, but now I do want to show you guys two functions over here. So as you can see, this one right here, when you press both of these, look at that, it goes forward, so you give them some room over here as well. And then the other function I want to show you guys, as you can see, these wheels right now is going straight. So if you want to do 360 like drifting and whatnot, so you could unlock this. You press this and then the wheels rotate, as you could see. So you put another one over here as well, so you could just unlock those if you want your kids to go around and do a bunch of rotations. But if you wanted to just go straight, just lock those in. Anyways, let me go ahead and get my son and try to ride it. All right guys, as you can see, our model's right here. So he doesn't fully know how to operate it yet, but he's learning. You like it? You like your bike?
Yes.
Yes, as you can see, he does like it. It's very cool, guys. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yes, there you go. So he's a fast learner, as you can see. He's doing it in his own. So yeah, very nice, guys. Super fun. Definitely get one for your kids, and let me know what you guys think.